I know many of you want to make money online so you can travel the world full time. Maybe you want to go to New York and eat at fancy restaurants. Maybe you want to go to Bali and relax at the beach with sunglasses that have like mirrors on it so you can look at the girls, you pervert. Or maybe you want to go to Spain so you can run with the bulls.
A fighting bull's horns are not only hard and sharp, they are curved. Instead of going straight in, they penetrate like a corkscrew.
By the end of today's video, you'll know exactly the steps you need to take to start traveling full-time with passive affiliate marketing. So if you don't know, my name is Andy FL. I travel the world full-time, making money with affiliate marketing.
And back in the day,
Back in 2015, I was actually in the army, and I hated the structured and routine life that was there, being bossed around. So I read the book 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, and one of the end chapters of that book, he talks about how traveling has completely changed his life, and that was kind of the introduction for me and making money online and all of that stuff. At this point, I was super shy. I didn't really have any friends that I could travel with, and I haven't really been by myself traveling the world, so it's really scary for me. But I had like saved up enough money so I could go traveling for about 4 months in Southeast Asia, like Thailand, Vietnam, and all those places. So that's what I did. Despite being very uncomfortable with traveling alone, I went down to Bangkok and started traveling. Immediately, the first day I started traveling and going to a hostel, my life changed. I didn't think that it would be so fun meeting all these great, amazing people. That's kind of like a different level. Like, they were adventurous, spontaneous, had ambitions. I visited like an abandoned skyscraper in Bangkok. I learned how to surf in Bali. I bathed with elephants. I bought my motorcycle in Vietnam, having crazy experiences. And I just found my new passion, traveling. But after about 4 months, I could see my bank account started declining and I had to go back home. And when I came back home, and I can remember this so vividly, the plane lands, they open the doors, and I can see out the window, and it's raining, it's cold. My parents, all my friends, my brothers, still living the routine life, just working a 9-to-5 job, working for a boss, and they didn't really have any adventures, meeting new people, and any of that, and that made me feel very sad. And that's the point where I realized that all I wanted to do was make money online with affiliate marketing so I can go back to travel the world again. That was my #1 goal from that point on. Now, obviously, I started Googling how to make money online with affiliate marketing, getting all these different bullshit like click button solutions where you have like all these different courses that really just suck. And for about 3 years, I worked actively on a blog and social media accounts trying to make it work, but 3 years in, I still am not making any money whatsoever. And at this point, I'm working as a pizza delivery boy, like the lowest of the barrel. And I remember my ex's mom is just like, is he gonna be a pizza delivery boy forever? And that just really stuck with me. And my mom really wanted me to go to college to become a real estate agent, because now it's been 3 years. I've living at home for 3 years. So I thought, hey, maybe this make money online thing is not going to work. So I actually go to college and I'm going to become a real estate agent. And while being in college, there's not really that much homework and you're only going to school for about 4 to 6 hours. So when I got home from school, I could work on my business a lot. And what I started doing was making a couple of different YouTube channels, just started posting videos. I just started posting video after video after video after video. Every other day, I would post a new video. And one day, out of nowhere, after about 6 months of doing it, I found a new video strategy, and this video strategy made one of my videos go super viral. I think it got like 200,000 views in about like a month or something like that. And my views went from like getting like $500 per day to getting 10,000 views per day. And at this point, I'm making like $100 to $200 every single day with affiliate marketing because I had the entire funnel set up. And because I worked for 6 months relentlessly trying to make it happen on YouTube, I now made enough money so I could go travel the world. The only problem was that I had to keep making videos to get my view count to stay the same, because it always went like this. One video just like boom, 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 and none of them really had long-term growth, and none of them really sold products very passively. So after working about 5-6 months, I figured out this very passive income affiliate method where I could make a video and that video would stay on YouTube for a long time and keep giving me passive income for a really long time. Like I made a video a year ago. That video is still making me $300 every single month coming in. And that's when I realized that the most passive income you can get is from YouTube, because it's a search engine. Like if someone searches for it, they'll find my video, that video will sell a product, I get passive income coming in. So now I solved the problem of not really having to make any videos at all. Now the last 2 months I've been traveling to Thailand, and then I traveled to Bali, and then I traveled to Barcelona. So as you can see right here, like I made about 10 videos the last 2 months. That means 10 days I worked the last 2 months. I made about $4,600 here. One of the affiliate sites that I promote for is Warrior Plus. I made around $8,000 right here. And that's only one of the affiliate platforms that I sell on. And then you can see ClickBank, about $2,000. Let's actually, so right here about 5,000, 12,000 from just these 3 platforms alone, and I sell a lot of other products. I made $17,000 the last 2 months, and it's all passive, or I worked 10 days to get there. So we're probably well over $20,000 for the last 60 days, and I only worked 10 days to be able to make this money, which is really cool because I found out about this YouTube and affiliate marketing strategy. And this is what I want you to get away from this. Do YouTube and affiliate marketing. Why? Because it's the most passive income you can get. YouTube is a search engine. If you rank on the search and you sell an affiliate product, you're gonna make passive sales for years and years and years, and this can all be automated. You don't even have to show your face. On top of that, you sell affiliate products just because you have no customer support, you don't have any fulfillment of product, you don't have to teach your students, you don't have to make the sales page or the sales material, you don't have to get success stories that you can use in your sales script, and it's the most passive income that you can get. And the crazy part is that I see a lot of people do other strategies. I was just talking to one of my friends that has been away from the internet marketing space for a long time because he had to take his bachelor's degree, and now he just came back and he said to me, I want to do paid ads to an email marketing funnel. And I said to him, yeah, that's fine. However, it's not going to give you something you can do every single day. And that's what I love so much about YouTube also. It's because you can wake up every single day. You can get your video ideas that I show you how to do. You can just film that video talking head or without even showing your face, just adding free stock videos and footage. That's very easy to do. You have like a software that does it automatically for you. And once you publish that video, you can feel good. It takes like 3 hours. For me, it takes 3 hours to make this video. And once I know that the video is finished, I've uploaded it with a thumbnail, and I click publish, I'm done for the day. And what differentiates the successful from the unsuccessful, it's only the amount of videos that you have. If you have one video on your channel, it's probably not going to be that good and you're not going to have that much success. If you have 100 videos on your channel, you're going to have a higher percentage chance of getting successful. If you have 300 videos on your channel and you're not successful, you're doing something wrong. We all get down in the dumps sometimes. We don't want to wake up. We don't want to be productive. But if the only thing you have to do at the end of the day to feel like you're productive and feel like you're moving in a direction that can take you full-time traveling, the only thing you have to do is hit that publish button. The only thing you have to do is talk into the microphone, use the software if you don't want to show your face, or talking head just like this. So make sure you do YouTube for that passive income. Make sure you do affiliate marketing, because you don't want to be a customer service and making the sales page. You probably can't even make the sales page and having testimonials and success stories and all that. So that's going to be the video of how to travel the world full-time doing passive affiliate marketing. If you want more information on how to do this without showing your face, building a long-term business that can give you money passively, go in the link in the description and buy my passive affiliate system. You'll also join the tribe of like-minded people just like you that are making passive affiliate channels just like you. You can ask me questions and get my personal mentoring as well. So that is going to be today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this. Question of today: if you're going to travel anywhere in the world, where would you go? Put it down in the comments down below. My name is Andy FL, and I'll see you tomorrow.
You know the